Another really cool non-guttable lock. I have one of these registered US mail locks. Got a star stamped in the shackle. These are the ones that have got that the numerical counter of how many times it's ticked up. I've actually got a couple of these. Here's another one that's missing this outer nice piece here. 0734. Yeah, they're really cool. So there's its like serial number. So the idea, they're only like a 3-pin lock, I think. But the idea is that you put it on a mail bag or whatever. You write down that's the serial number is going to be L16971, and that its count is sent at 0669. So then when it arrives at the destination, they compare the count number and the serial number, and they know that no one's opened it. If they've got the right serial number, but the count's off by 1, then they know that someone's opened the thing. Or if it's the wrong serial number, they know if it's been opened. But they're not particularly high security. They're really just a reusable tamper seal. All right, so let's see if we can pick the thing, stick it in a vise. Now, the whole core does twist, so you could just tension it off the shackle, which would be a legit method. I'm going to use this multi-click Z-bar at the top here anyway. Can't remember if these go clockwise or anti-clockwise, but I'm going to assume clockwise. It's usually a fair bet. And the pins for this are really deep in. Like they're down here. 1. Okay, got to click out something there. 2. I think the pins are all the same direction. There's not one going the other way, is there? Feel anything pin shape down there. Spring. Tension tool. Maybe the tension is in too far. We'll try again. Oh, I've got to tighten this up. Flop it around all over the place. Where's mine? Let's try this actually. More out of the way. Alright, that's the pin. Oh, got it. All right. So, did feel maybe there was some light spooling action there. Actually, I'm not sure. It did not feel just like standards. But here we go. So we see we're on partly turn there. So 669 we were on. So we're cranking up now as we turn the core around. Up to 6670 and relocked. So there you go. That's how they work. They're really cool. There are a couple of videos around of these things, some like broken ones that have been cut apart and you can look on the insides. I know Panda Frog one, I think Starry Lock has one as well. The keys for these are pretty simple looking, but I believe it is a US federal crime to actually own one of the keys for these things unless you work for the post office. Even though I don't think they've been using this kind of lock for 30 odd years, the US government are a bit touchy about that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's worth keeping in mind. But yes, this one is keyless. This one is keyless. They're really cool. Yeah, bit different.